What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. This is an OBD2 car scanner made by Launch. Right, the model number is the X431. I'll leave the full description in the description below. So today we're just going to be doing an unboxing, see what's in here, and let's get to it. So like I said, it's a car scanner, and currently sell on Amazon for about $400. So it's actually a X431. This is the new model for 2025. Comes in a nice case, as you guys can see here. Let's open this thing up. Just lift it here. Okay. So it looks like there's a little cubby right here. And then this looks like it's the scanner. So let's see what's in the cubby first. Looks like you pull these tabs down to unlock it. Okay, it stays like that. It's hinged. So there's some cable connections. There's your OBD2 connector right there. There's your charging. Looks like it comes with a bunch of different ones for other countries, which is nice. And this is your VCI. And what this allows you to do is connect to the scanner. All you have to do is connect this to the car. You don't need to be in the vehicle, and it's wireless. And I think it's good up to like 30 feet. So you don't have to be crammed in the vehicle. So that's a nice feature. Bunch of salt packets here. And of course instructions. And all the manuals. So this is the first time I'm opening this. So like I said, we're just doing an unboxing. I'm going to have to do some updates. I already know that. And then there'll be a part 2 to this video. But these are just basic instructions, serial number. Okay. Put that to the side. Again, nice little cubby. Put that stuff in so it doesn't get damaged. This looks like it's nice and secure with some Velcro. Oh. Here's the unit. Fits in there really nice. Feels like a nice, solid, heavy duty unit. And here we go. This is the Launch X431. Alright, so on top here, slide that over. Alright, so you got a USB connection right there. And that looks like a USB-C connection right there. I'm not sure if they're for charging or updating, but well, you know, like I said, first time I'm opening it up, so we'll take a look at it. There's your power button right here. That's about it. Oh, there's a camera too. So there's a camera. That's nice. So you can take pictures of what's going on. Again, feels like a nice sturdy. It's rubber. It's heavy duty. You know, it's heavy duty. It doesn't feel like cheap. But yeah, that's about it. I want to thank Launch for sending this out to me. They're the sponsor of this video. I appreciate them sending this out. I'm gonna do an update on it. Like I said, there's gonna be a part 2 to it. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.